Welcome to Lesson 8. Let's get started. We have confirmed our strategy with Strategy Quant X results and confirmed that it is ready to deploy onto a real account. For your first deposit, I recommend going with only $100, but that amount is up to you to decide. Let's take a look at the options for withdrawals and deposits on the octafx website. So we're on the top page of octafx. We scroll on to FX trading and click on deposits and withdrawals. Here are our options, and I recommend this one right here called Skrill. Skrill can be used for deposits and withdrawals. They have the smoothest transactions with the lowest fees, and that's why I recommend it. You can go onto the nononsensetrader.com website, scroll down to number 8, and here is the Skrill link to sign up where you can register, you can deposit money, and withdraw money using this platform on the octafx brokerage account. Once you have done that, then you go back onto your MT4 platform, you click on File, and you log into a new trading account, and you will be on a server with a real account. That is everything. We will see you in the next lesson.